In this video, we will install a license for Solid Server to be fully ready to operate on our network. So after logging in with the appropriate account, we are using the standard request way to install a license. So the first step is getting the request key, which is encoded as a text content. And this key needs to be sent back to EfficientIP through the official request process, which consists of filling a form on the web. So first we copy the key, and then we directly go on the website to request specific license for our Solid server. So here we have to fill a form with the information of your contract, and for sure paste the key in the form. So once the request will be handled by the EfficientIP team, you will receive in return a license file content that you can directly cut and paste on the appliance with the appropriate contract. So now we can paste our license key, and once validated by the appliance, you directly have the new validity date, and all the modules associated with the contract are enabled.